Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how can we create a affiliate product using WooCommerce. So if you have joined any affiliate programs, for example Amazon, Hostinger, Bluehost or Elementor, so you want to earn a commission using their products, so I will tell you how can we create affiliate product using WooCommerce. So just go to your WordPress dashboard, then go to products, then click on add new product. So in here, you need to name your product. So for example, I will name it Bluehost WordPress hosting. And after that, I will just go to the product data here, then click on external affiliate product. And here I need to paste my URL that I have for my affiliate product. So I have joined the Bluehost affiliate program. In here, I will go to the content here, then assets. So in here, I will just click on this one, Bluehost. So I will copy the URL. And here you can see I will download the image from here. And I will click on get tracking link, copy the tracking link. I will go back here and I will paste my product URL. So here is my URL. Then I will insert my button text. So for example, get hosting. In here, regular price. So I will just write, for example, 50, or just leave it as it is if you want to. So if you have product description, so you can insert your product description. I will leave it as it is. Then I will click on set product image. So here is my image. So I will just click on set product image. So here you can see, and the product category. So for example, here I will insert, for example, hosting. And then I will click on add new category. And after that, if you have product tags, so you can insert it, I will leave it as it is. Then I will click on publish. And after that, I will just view my product. So here you can see my product. Here it is my product. When someone clicks on here, get hosting, so it will be redirected to the Bluehost. So if someone gets the hosting from using my link, so I will get a commission. So if you need hosting, so I will share the link in the description as well. So you will not be charged. So you will just use my link to get hosting. So I will earn a commission. So it will not charge any extra. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, so kindly ask in the comment section.